Hi and welcome everyone. Today I would like to show you my first DIY speaker project. After increasing interest and passion for speakers, I decided to design and build my own portable Bluetooth speaker. The result of several months of drawing, using different design programs like WinISD, REW and SketchUp, will be shown right now. Let me introduce you to the HQ, a high quality Bluetooth speaker. The HQ measures 40 cm wide, 25 cm tall and 20 cm deep and is built out of 12 mm MDF. The weight is around 8 kg or 18 pounds and the following components are used. The full rangers used are the Dayton Audio RS100s. These are 4-inch full range woofers and form a very solid basis for the sound of the HQ. They have quite a flat frequency response and are able to play quite loud, so overall a great choice. The subwoofer in the HQ is the well-known 10-band W5-1138 SMF. This subwoofer is a beast. Combined with the Dayton Audio 215PR passive radiator, this system is able to play all the way down to 35 Hz, which is incredibly low. The bass is fast, tight and makes the HQ really stand out, as you will hear in the sound test later on. Now comes the secret ingredient in this project. Powering these speakers is the Zaudio AAO 4-channel amplifier. The AAO 4CH is, as the name suggests, a 4-channel amplifier. Due to its great versatility, you can choose to have either a 4-channel, 2.1 channel or 2-channel configuration. The HQ is configured as 2.1 channel with stereo sound going to the full range drivers. What makes this amp stand out from the rest of the pack is its configuration software, which I will show you right now. This software lets you design your own crossover, use DSP for fine-tuning your speakers, dynamic equalizers for low and high volumes, separate EQ button configuration so you have the possibility to create an indoor and outdoor EQ, for example, or even the possibility to use TWS or True Wireless Stereo. Zaudio also offers the possibility to buy an additional plate cover for the AAO 4-channel. I bought this plate amplifier extension to give the HQ a really neat look. Powering the system is a 24-volt battery with a charger and protection circuit. This ensures a battery life of around 2 hours at maximum volume or 20 hours on medium, so 65% volume. With the main specifications out of the way, it is time to go to the sound test. Enjoy!
Hi everyone and welcome to the outside of the Netherlands. Right now we're going to do a sound test of the HQ. So I set the volume at around 65% and I used the mini DSP binaural microphones which are calibrated to record the sound. I hope the wind won't interfere too much with the sound because it's quite windy outside right now. But we'll have to see what the sound will be like. You can enjoy it for yourself and I hope you have a lot of fun with the HQ.
Everything I have is right here.
Love, so good to be loved by you.
Okay.
I hope you are as excited as I am about the HQ. I really enjoyed drawing, calculating and building the speaker and would recommend anyone else to do exactly the same. Therefore, in the description below I added a link towards my Etsy where you can buy the building plans against a small price. With these building plans I will also provide the configuration file for the amplifier, so you can really make the speaker sound identical to mine and as good as mine. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like if you did so. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to, and don't even hesitate to ask any questions in the comments down below. My name is Tom, this was the HQ, and I will see you in the next one.